Hello, everyone. My name is Brian Robert. Um, Today, we're going to talk about my 10 steps to success, and this is training that I've done for some time. I've been in this industry now for 16 years. I've been very fortunate to be extremely successful in this industry. One of the keys to success is that I was able at a very young age to get with a mentor who really understood this business. When I first got involved, was running around and it was definitely ignorance on fire, but it wasn't working for me. I walk one way, my friends walk the other way because they don't want to hear about this business. And when I was 20, I was able to get with a mentor who understood this business, who taught me the correct way to go out there and build this business. And really, what these 10 steps are the kind of the things that you do every day. If I was going to tell someone, they say, "What do I need to do to build this business? What I need to do to be successful in the network marketing industry?" I would teach them these 10 steps. Eh, Even though what I'm going to teach you is simple, it's not necessarily easy because it takes a lot of dedication to get in there and do this.